last nails from the carpet. Okay, and I need to put the divider in the end, so it's not going to go all the way to the end because it's expanded. We get the screwdriver and plier. Okay. The last Mohegan, last nail. Okay, this one was under the bed. I don't want to go inside the wood. All structure will be missed. Okay, last looking inspection. Looking good, looking good. Okay, now I'm ready to put almost the last part. Okay, smooth, straight, neat, beauty. The hard job is really to take out the carpet, the nail, and all the preparation like you're doing painting. The easy job always, it's the join one, the one that you enjoy, and this is will be the putting the wood. It's a pleasure. Only the preparation, it's hard job. Okay. This is the moisturized barrier. It will be protect from moisturize just in case. It's keep you outside the warranty. It's keep you. So let's move the garbage. Everything clear up from here. I think after that I already broom everything here. And the carpet. Important to see how dirty the place. I'm going to give another swap quickly. I swap it. Okay, just because I have a place here, I have to cut it. So I use it for all the room. Protection, new protection. Okay. I think it was nice. Let's see if it's gonna fit all the way. So I'm gonna have to put another one. What I find here, I find another nail here. Let's see. Just in case, I think I need to put another one. I think I need to put another one. Okay, so let me take out the nail first. Yes, it's important. It's not a nail, it's staple. It's a staple. You cannot see from there, but trust me, I just killed it. Okay, smooth, nice. To run after the tools. Some extra never hurt. Okay. this is lap about the other one. It's coming already pre-glued, so let's follow it. Nice. All the way to the end. Okay, put lap it on top of this one. Okay, don't see nothing, so I need to lap one on top of the other one. Okay. Alright, again. Much that I left extra, I still missing. It's okay. Right there. Okay. Special glue already got made. Okay. Okay. So here I am. That's what it's looking. Okay, so I think we're done to put the barrier, actually a small piece here, and I'm gonna finish it.